red lights and the mountain of spray that's followed us down there. Out, looks like reasonably steadily for two side by side coming into middle overtaking on the braking down into Mansfield. I haven't seen that much.
Get on terms with Monty High.
Right, waiting for them coming round. Who's it going to be, we ask ourselves? It's still exactly the same order before, with Goldstein holding second. I think Goldstein gets ahead because the three of them are absolutely tied together. Now then, that's third placement in that group, and I'm sure is the light blue.
Through those goals for it, and we've got a 3-car battle for second place. Hyde under pressure when it's back to all over him. So those two predominantly blue cars there of Hyde and Hannon really duking it out at the moment for third.
Who's in third in the championship? The leaders have gone round Park, they've gone into Chris Curve now then. There's been a bit of a sorting out there. Yellow, I believe. Now, who would that be? No, must be Thompson. We don't have the old box up there as well. We could do with a third commentator really here, couldn't we? At the Cadwell, but never mind. Has we got away with it? There goes the leader, there's no doubt about it. It's changed for second place. No doubt about it. Behind you, Tony. Very rarely see that, don't we? At the back of the hill.
Certainly change. So senior ahead of me.
Elwood solidly at the moment. Though still very close.
Here come the leaders to complete 7 laps, and it's Senior ahead of Heaton, and then it's Horton and Warner pretty close together for third place, and then another 3 cars scrap, which Elwood has got back into the lead of, and so the 111 enough poke to get past or up to Senior. So Senior wins, the gap was 0.2 of a second in the end. We've got some back markers, but in amongst them is the third place man. And then we wait on the back carry on for light, and there still is, and 1-3
They go into Park Corner for that second time because we have quite a way at the moment. No individual scraps going on, but it is the black car leading of Tomash, and then the scarlet of Ben Timmins, and that's allowing Ben Wheatley to get back up in contention with them. So the leading 3 almost back together. Chasing down, I think, 56 Story, or he's chasing after Story, because he was of course one of the quick guys at the back as well. He's still in that same order as before, Tomash, Timmins, Wheatley, but they've closed right up again. Wheatley, after being put down there, went nose on into the barrier, so I think we might be having a delay for a bit of a barrier move at the end of this race. Whether we've put out the safety car.
Not the rain to begin to fall as well now again on the windows, Tony, that might affect the way they're driving. But yes, interesting to watch. Woodley Story and Blower probably back of the big making their way gradually.
At the end of the race, I think that's the way they're looking at it for now. Well, the leading three, I missed them. Yes, it was, I think, 4th place man. Has to be now. Car number 9. No, he's on the back one.
Oh, it's been over. Last I thought he's going out. Then two is ahead of Bentley. Those two go through. What about the 3rd place? Well, it's changed because James Empson comes through in 3rd. That's the 20 car. And Steve Merritt has dropped down to 4th. So we've got a new podium finisher in prospect. James Empson, number 20.
Oh, I don't think he left the place totally because he finished in the pits. Ryan will be in the next
1, 2, 3 is the one we should be missing. He was on the pre-penultimate road to grid. So, leading cars going through. Oh, Jordan has been that change. Yeah, Goldman has managed to push himself into 2nd spot. Cheekily, Keane was also going to go on the left of both of them, so it might have been 3 abreast going to BARC corner that time round. I wonder what order they're going to come out in. Oh, it's completely reverse order. One behind leading, yeah, no, that worked last time they all came out all right. That must be Jeeves, Ducey, Hanson,
tongues up the front of the grid. After Cameron tongues up the front of the grid. Goldstein again looking for the draft and down the left-hand side of the... Whoops, somebody coming off altogether. That's car 24, who's done exactly the same as the Cameron tongues up the front of the grid. Goldstein again looking for the draft and down the left-hand side of the... Whoops, somebody coming off altogether. That's car 24, who's done exactly the same as we had at the end of the race yesterday. And everybody else as well looking at it.
Yep, so Hind in the lead.
Of course, it's very close, but then it's going to be a very short sprint race, isn't it? Oh, somebody off. Oh, that doesn't look good. Oh.
position as they come through the first of this 7-minute race. In the lead, it is Adam Keane from Monty High.
Sorry about that. Car number 4 in front of us. Neville Smith. Oops, another one spinning off here on the grass, I think. That's reasonably safe. That's number 40. Dean Holland, who's the big all run coming out of Charles. It's going to be I believe guys. Telling that, oh, that's all wrong. He's pressing too hard. Either something's wrong with Goldstein's car, or he's panicking. But was right in the braking and turning in area when it all happened. So, at a moment ahead, I'm losing my visibility now up that side of the track because of the rain on the windows. But it's still, the atmosphere's changed. It's got a great tinge to it around here at the moment. So, very, very light, very fine drizzle at the moment. But yeah, Elwood's certainly on a charge. And now, whether is he going to get into 3rd spot? Yes, it looks like it. It looks like Elwood's managed to get. Stephen Merrick escaped for the moment, but then, as you say, Merrick's story, Hope Kenley absolutely coming together. Very little separating them. I think you're
Stopping. Not to the back. That's a BTCC.
Which I believe are Horton and McCall and Maud and Elwood all went into Park Corner in a, I would like to say, McCall and Maud and Elwood all went into Park Corner in a, I would like to say, what order?
Timmins and Wheatley, all bets are off now between those two, I reckon. It's Merritt next. Now, where is... Oh,
yeah, we could expect something like that, but not maybe
Next 7. 8 half-minutes to go. Here come the leads.
Right on leader Ben Timmins at the moment in car 8. That's that scrap coming past us now up Archery 2 by 2. With our eyes off briefly at the moment. Right on leader Ben Timmins at the moment in car 8. That's that scrap coming past us now up Archery 2 by 2. Two of them going past. Really on the limit as they come out of the booth. You can see the cars actually just I think it's telling you that both of them left third place man 20 Epsom for quite a distance.
Okay, when you mention the route stop, it suddenly reminded me there was a commentary box, wasn't there, at the bottom of the route stop at one point. I couldn't take it from there.
Yeah, well, it's still there actually for the bikes. I think use it. It's quite a nice one. It's brick built with good windows and a slate roof. Yes, it's still there.
Yeah, very good actually. And the leaders come challenging for 3rd place, nothing no further as they go up towards Coppice. But it looks to me like the silver car of Willis who gets in the lead as they go to challenge.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. It's still in the lead. That's good from Willis. No doubt about that. It's his place on 9, 11 and 48. Harry Cook in 9, 11, Taylor O'Connor and 48, as you said, the rapid starting Andrew Murgatroyd. That's the order first time round. And there is a spot of rain coming on the window of the commentary box. It is a very, very light spot of very fine drizzle at the moment. That cloud I saw coming over, I think, is reaching us. Whether it'll turn into anything significant, I don't know. Here we come round Charlie's Crisco, round into the gooseneck for the first time. And so spot of rain coming on the window of the commentary box. It is a very, very light spot of very fine drizzle at the moment. That cloud I saw coming over is reaching us. Whether it'll turn into anything significant, I don't know. Here we come round Charlie's Crisco.
In 5th position in the 92. Oh, and we got a car on the grass coming through Barn. And is he going to keep it out of the barrier? Just a little touch on the arm rather than the
left corner. 48.55, having their own fabulous scrap there. Braking area for Mansfield, it's still the Goldstein, but only just Goldstein from the green of the key, 135 litres 49. In order to make it, but I have to say Goldstein and McEwing were separated by 0.8 of a second, and then at the third spot, so that could be an interesting rearrangement of positions if they get round. They might have the park corner safely. There's still a queue of cars coming round. The leading has a big gap between second and third. So I'm hoping that commentators Barney, Ferry, Thomas Cutter and Groom are still with each other. Is that right? There's something happened there. You might pick up the numbers more clearly than I expect. They're all there. So I'm hoping that commentators Barney, Ferry, Thomas Cutter and Groom are still with each other. Is that right? There's something happened there. You might pick up the numbers more clearly than I, Tony.
Right, well, leaders of
With a shout there. Sorry, the other Gunter, isn't it? I'm getting mistaken. That's
it's Armitage, but
Armitage, isn't it? It's Haley Ross, from our early contenders, sadly. Of course, this has got still Ross, one of our early contenders, very sadly. Goes to scrap. It's a silver car, I think. The bunch of 4 cars scrapping over third, fourth, fifth and sixth.